When your dog acts like the vet, visit is the end of the world. Classic husky-level drama. Waking up, he throws a tantrum for the entire clinic. That face like he just heard the worst news ever. Time for your shot. He's screaming like, no shots, no checkup, no nothing. Screaming wasn't enough. He had to throw in a little kick, too. He's struggling, like, let me go. I do not consent to this appointment. Oh dear, shaking like he's saying, please take me home. The way his back stiffened is both hilarious and heartbreaking at the same time. Trying to stay calm, but his expression is screaming, I'm about to faint. He panicked and ran straight into his owner's arms, so sad but so funny. Oh my gosh, poor baby, he's so scared he completely froze. Police dog or superhero dog? The vet makes them all panic. Oh my God, he's threatening the entire clinic if they dare give him a shot.
It's okay, don't worry. You'll be okay. See, look, you're on the camera.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Get on this. She got a hold of it.
Oh, the vet. Oh, for Sam? Okay, I'm gonna take.
Walking around throwing punches like saying, which one of y'all drugged me? That scream is literally, I did not sign the consent form.
Oh, Coco, stop it. You stop it. You stop it. Hey!
Don't mess with him, tiny body, big attack power.
Hey! Oh my goodness, you got all the sass today!
No caption needed. This face speaks volumes. The dog is like, no one even asked if I wanted this.
Nice to meet you. Can I say hello to you? My name's Tom. You can say hello.
This is pure fear brain completely shut down.
I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed.
He may look small, but when he snaps, the whole clinic will be running.
So show me family. All the blood that I will bleed.
I'm coming.
They cry just like people can't believe some people think they don't have emotions.
What you doing?
ยังไม่ตรวจเลยยังไม่หมออยู่นี่หมออยู่นี่
The vet hasn't even walked over, and he's already declaring war. Poor puppy, that tiny shiver got me sobbing. It sounds so heart-wrenching, like he's crying, "Someone save me." This is the classic look of every dog at the vet, shaking like a leaf. No dog escapes the washing machine spin cycle shake at the vet.
But Prince, mommy here. Oh my God.
All attempts to stay calm fail, because his face already told the whole story. Oh, look how scared he is. Someone bring the treats, please.
She didn't care.
Poor baby. He's so scared they won't even dare to move. Calm down, sweetheart. The vet hasn't done anything yet. Small size monster level resistance. Sweetheart, take a deep breath. No one has even touched you. So heartbreaking, his cry hits you right in the chest. The dog is like everyone here is suspicious. I need to run.
长大了，真的不知道啊，真的也不知道。
His wide eyes are saying, "Save me. This place is dangerous." Oh, he's activating maximum toe beam brakes. Look at his face. He's like, something is not right here. I just know it.